Woo! What's up, guys? It's the first autocross of the year. You just got scared?
The way you flipped the camera.
It's fine, it's got hyper smooth. So it's the first autocross event of the year. It's a test and tune. I eyeballed my alignment, like quite literally eyeballed it. And Greg didn't do anything to his car. So we thought, let's go head to head. So here we are. I'm gonna do street modified, he's gonna do street modified front wheel drive, and he's gonna attempt to beat me. So let's see what happens. It's time to go! He's got roll down windows. All right, let's go beat Greg. I don't have any grip at all. I don't know. Greg might beat me this time. It would be my luck that it starts raining like the exact moment it's my group's turn.
Yep.
I got no front bite. No front grip, nothing. This is terrible. My tire pressure is raising, but my tires aren't getting warmer. So it's just the wheels that are getting warmer. Most of the way through the heat, and Greg is properly kicking my ass by like 9/10 of a second. I got like no grip at all. This is just terrible. It waited until it was our turn to start raining. Now we got standing water. It's like full on raining at this point. I think Greg got me. I think he's gonna get me. What a day. Here goes nothing. Greg got me, like legitimately, like raw time got me. by like a second. Greg, what did you do? Okay, so it's cold and raining and Greg beat me. Like actually beat me, raw time. Not even Pax. He didn't even need the Pax help. I could have used the Pax help. What do you have to say for yourself, Greg?
It's cold and raining and I want to go home.
Same. Hit subscribe. I'll see you next Taco Tuesday.